Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am putting together my December plan with me. I am back in my blackout notebook, and I have something super fun today. So at the beginning of the year, when I was starting to plan all of my themes and all that kind of stuff, I knew I wanted to do January and December. So January was the silhouette bear theme. It was sorry, that's my cat. It was based off of my dog, Harley Bear. She is a Newfoundland, looks like a black bear. And now I am doing my December theme to close out the year for my other dog, Malia, who is a husky who we think of as a wolf. So I wanted to do that juxtaposition with the bear and the wolf themes. And so I kind of wanted to go the same vein with this silhouette look. But my dog is also kind of a diva because she's a husky. So, and we joke around that she's a princess and that she she's she's just such a diva, to be honest with you, and she loves the color pink. So I decided to lean into the Barbie theme as well. So I absolutely adore how this came out. I'm filling a lot of the negative space with some snowflakes and little snowflake balls and little stars and things like that as well. I like to fill this negative space up. But really, I wanted to lean heavily into the pink and obviously the wolf silhouette here as my main theme. So moving on, we have the calendar. So this is just my normal calendar. It is a Monday start calendar. I did use a few different pinks. I really wanted to get that nice Barbie pink. So that is Raspberry Slushy from the Acrylographs. I also used a little bit lighter of a pink that is from the Tropical set, I believe, from the Acrylographs. And I also used a pink, like a hot pink gel pen from Archer and Olive. So that's what I decided to do here. So I am using that Raspberry Slushy, that Barbie pink on the across lines, and then the Tropical pink on the down lines. I just wanted to give it that, like, a little bit of dynamicness. That's not a word. But I really wanted to give it a little bit of juice, just because, yes, Barbie pink is like the most important thing, but like obviously anything pink is Barbie. So I wanted to make sure that I incorporated a bunch of different types of pinks and everything in here. I do go with a Monday start calendar. And this is something that I like to talk about every once in a while because I know there are people that feel very strongly about a Sunday start. I feel very strongly about a Monday start because for me in particular, my weekend is all grouped together. I have a Monday through Thursday work schedule and then Friday through Sunday. I am typically doing like an event across those 3 days, or I'm doing the same types of tasks across those 3 days. So for me, it will never ever make sense to do something that's not a Monday start calendar. And that is totally fine. For people that, I know nurses that do like a Tuesday start calendar because they're off on Mondays, just because that makes more sense for how their life works. And that is what bullet journaling is making sense of your life. So that's what I decided to do here. And then moving on, we have my task list. So I did use a Barbie font and I made these stickers. It's towards the end of the year and I need a little bit more simplicity in my life because I don't know about you, but things do get kind of hectic towards the end of the year. Like you're trying to fit a lot in before the holidays. Work gets a little hectic. It is starting to get into that season where it's like, oh, maybe we should circle back after the holidays, but it hasn't quite taken effect yet. There's a lot of pushes going on at work right now. So because of that, I wanted to make this setup really simple. So the silhouettes, I used a stencil and I cut out from my Archer and Olive Tutti Frutti notebook pink paper on my Cricut. So I did do all of that on there. I didn't cut anything out by hand. And then I did download this font. I did customize it a little bit. So basically I took the font, I made it pink, I made a little bit of a white glow behind it, and then I outlined it in black to go into my black notebook. And then I printed it out so that I could put it in here. Lettering this would have taken, I imagine, at least another half an hour. So this setup was super quick, super simple, and I loved that. That was really helpful this time of year, especially because I am filming so much right now because I am filming all of 2024. So definitely having a little bit of help was nice. So I have my goals in the top right and my habits in the bottom left of that page as well. I am going to keep some space above that habits to do a quote probably. I couldn't pick out the right quote. So this is the super simple December setup. I hope you all enjoy this theme, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.